Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. Today we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 34. This is episode number 34, Spoken English practice number 34. The good news is that I'm getting very good feedback that people are getting very support from these videos. They are listening this video, their vocabulary is increasing and they are listening is improving. They are also giving answer of the question. Actually, the main thing is that people are not getting someone to speak English, to practice English. So what we are trying to do in these videos, that we are trying to solve this problem, because people do have grammatical books, they do have books, they are improving their vocabulary, they do have books that they are having command on their tenses, but they don't have any book to speak with them. They don't have any book that will be asking question and they will be speaking. So therefore what we are trying to do, that we are asking question in this video and you will be giving the answer, and this is a very, you can say, like live practice. You are listening questions and you are doing brainstorming and giving the answer. So now today we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 34. Now we are going to start, and the topic for today exercise is memory. Very important thing in your whole educational life. What is this? This is a test of memory. If you have a good memory, you will be getting very good marks. If you have a bad memory, you will be getting less marks. There are two types of the memory: short-term memory and long-term memory. So we will not talk about that, what is short-term memory and what is long-term memory. Now we are going to do our practice, which is very important. Practice is very important for everything. Either you are a sports person, or you are a student, or you want to have a command on any skill like spoken English. You want to improve your spoken English, you need to do practice. Question number 1: do you have a good memory? Question number 2: do you usually remember things or forget things? Question number 3: have you ever forgotten your keys? Very basic question. It's happened most of the time. We forget keys of our car, bike, office drawers, cupboard. Have you ever forgotten an important date like a birthday? Question number 4: are there some things you will never forget? 7: are there something you wish you could forget? 8: what are your happiest memories? Do you easily memorize information? Do you have a short-term or long-term memory? What do you usually forget? What is an important date for you to remember? Do you think it would be easier to erase bad memories? How you can improve your memory? If you are a student, or if you are working job, or if you are like doing business or anything else, and you want to improve your memory, what like a lot of my friends told me and my teacher told me, that try to do rehearsal 21 times. And like if you want to give public speaking, so you should do 21 times practice in your home about that topic, about that subject, and it will be memorized and you will be able to speak more confidently and more fluently. So if you are a student and you want to memorize things about your like exam, so you need to just do writing practice. Do writing like again and again, like mathematics, physics, chemistry, bio, English. Just memorize and write, memorize, write, memorize. Do minimum 3-4 times, so you will see the results. In my case, I got very good results. It depends also on person to person. And very important thing is that your involvement. Just imagine when you are watching any movie and you have a very good interest in that movie, automatically half story of memory you memorize automatically without any force. But when it is coming to study, because people are not more involved in their study, so therefore they are facing struggle to memorize their lesson. And when you are listening your favorite song, or when you are listening like any song, new song, and you do have interest and do you like that song, so automatically the lyrics of the songs is memorizing by yourself unintentionally, because you are getting involved. So involvement is very very important in anything. If you will be getting involved, you will be getting better results. If you are not taking any interest, for example, if you are watching a movie and you are not taking interest, so you will see your mobile, you will make calls to your friend. But if you are watching movie and you are getting involved, you are taking too much interest, you will not disturb yourself, you will not see your mobile, you will not make call your friends. Even if somebody is ringing bell on your door, so you will consider it not good. So involvement is very very important. So whenever you are doing practices, please get involved and you will get the better result. Thank you very much. Goodbye.